Today I insulated the shed and I made a wall with pallet wood.
This is the Old Guy Network.
Yep. Hey, welcome back to the Old Guy Network, and thanks for joining me here in the trailer hood. And remember, I am at the world headquarters of the Old Guy Network, deep in the state of Maine, in an undisclosed trailer somewhere in a trailer park. Probably not near you. So it's, yeah, we had a nice warm day today, and thank goodness we did, because there is a lot going on here. I know I say that a lot, but there really is. As you can see, the green screen is behind me. I've got that back up. Very easy to put up this time. I'm getting better at it. If you can see in the background too, I've got some lights. I received 4 lights, plus a friend of mine who also has a YouTube channel. It's called Phototown. He's a photographer / everything else. He does a lot of stuff. And he was nice enough to bring over some lighting stands, and I think I got 4 of them here. One of them I modified to put the green screen on. Well, it's blue on the other side, but right now it's a green screen. But I modified that so I could put that here and get it a little closer to me. And the other ones I'm using for the lights. And I haven't really mastered this yet. It still doesn't look very good, but I'm getting a little bit better, and I'm going to have to do a few more things in here to get it right. So until then, I'm not going to try to use the green screen, but you're going to see it as a background back there anyway. And then out in the shop, well, I got something else in the mail, not just lights. I also got the Wen 6-inch benchtop joiner. That did come in. I have not done the unboxing, but we're going to have the unboxing hopefully Friday. That's when I'm going to do everything. And I've got some projects I'm doing. One I started in the summertime, had to put it off so we could do the trailer build. And that's back in swing, but I want to use the joiner for part of that, so that's going to have to sit there for a little bit. But I'll show you more about that in just a minute, and let you know that I got a ton of pallets in. Well, maybe not literally a ton, but there's a lot of pallets there. And I've got more on the way. And I got some in on Saturday, and I got a bunch more in today. And I've got probably another 6 or 7 that should be on the way in just a few days. But I have plans for most of these pallets, maybe all of them and more. I've got a big job going on in the shed. So why don't we go in there now, and I'll show that to you. Here's a little something I like to call "What the hell is going on in the shed?" This is actually a project I started back in the summer, and I had to give up on it for a little while when we were doing the trailer flip, but now I'm back at it. And basically what this is a cat ramp, and it's almost there. These are the braces that will support it, and I'm kind of putting this on hold again just for a little while because I want to be able to use a new tool that I got. And if we spin this around here, we can see it right there. That is my Wen 6-inch benchtop joiner. It did come in, and I haven't had a chance to unwrap it yet because I've got so much going on here. As you can see, there's a roll of pink insulation right there, and then there's 2 more rolls right there that are basically holding up my cigar box. That's because I started insulating right back there. You can see it. Now I'm using a combination of the rolled insulation that I bought and some of the foam board insulation that I already had here in the shed, and should work out pretty well. I've insulated this little corner and put up some plastic as a moisture barrier, and if you look at the wall here, that, my friends, is all pallet wood. And we're going to do, well, I'm going to do as much as I can with pallet wood. And I've got 6 more pallets out back that I have to cut down. And then I've got 20 more on the way from one source, and then another 6 or 7 coming from another source. So I should have enough to do most of the shed. As you can see, I've got all this right here too. That's a lot of pallet wood. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm going to try to get as much insulated as I can, pulling as much stuff from the shed from one corner to the next, and then insulating and then putting everything back. And I think over here I'm actually going to put some shelves up just to store more stuff and get it off the floor and get it off the benches. All right, so while I was working inside the shed, a friend of mine dropped these off. Oh yeah, there's more over there. So I've got another 16 pallets that I have to cut up and put somewhere. A lot of this is going to be material for the walls inside. Fun! I didn't get much further past that little corner because, as you can see, I got all those pallets. The park doesn't like it if I keep the pallets outside too long. They don't want any junk like that outside. They want me to bring it in to the shed, and there's no room. So I spent most of the day cutting up a lot of those pallets, and while I was cutting them up, I actually sent a picture to Krista that we got more pallets and we're going to be able to build more stuff. And then she said, hey, find 2 pallets that look kind of alike and don't cut those. I want to make a coffee table. So that's okay. I already cut up all the ones that actually looked alike. I had a couple that might work for her. I don't know. It's going to be a big coffee table if she's making it out of 2 pallets. But I don't know. But I got those. I got some of those cut up. I have cut some of the finished wood that I took off the pallets. I've got those cut into 24-inch lengths because the studs in the trailer, in the shed, are 24 inches on center and not 16 on center. That was the idea of the person who built the shed. They wanted to use less wood, I guess. But I'm doing that now and trying to get all that insulation in there. I'm not going to be able to get the whole thing insulated for a while. But I got to get the cat ramp all finished, and I got to get that unboxed, the Wen joiner, and I've got some other projects that I have to start. One of them is an island that I'll be doing a video on, and probably Krista's coffee table too. I don't know. When she comes over this week, maybe she'll build a coffee table. I have no idea. But yeah, I got a lot going on. And then in the middle of all this, I realized that the friend of mine who brought the pallets over, well, I thought he was going to bring them over in his truck. He brought them over with his trailer, which was great because at the trailer that I rehabbed and then sold, we left a tractor there. And I've been telling the lady who bought it, Debbie, that I would get that tractor either. She didn't want that tractor there, and it doesn't even run anymore. It almost killed me the one time that it did run, and I almost ran over Jordan twice. So yeah, so we went over and we grabbed that tractor, and now that's sitting behind the shed. And maybe we'll be able to fix that and do something with it. I don't know. But I just seem to be getting more and more stuff. I'm trying to get rid of stuff, but I keep getting more and more stuff in there. So I did manage to get rid of another vacuum cleaner, so that was pretty good. That's something anyway. But yeah, that's what we're doing. There's quite a bit, and then I'm trying to get the green screen working, and there's only so many hours in a day, and I'm an old fella, and a lot of this confuses me. So I'm just doing the best I can. And with that being said, I guess that's going to do it for this video for the Old Guy Network. I am the OG, and thanks for dropping by the Trailer Hood. Until next time, I'm out.